Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. Whew. Beautiful day here in the Northeast. So I'm heading off to Aldi's. I have to get the dogs their homemade ingredients. It takes me a while. I have 4, so I like to do large portions. I need to get out of the way. That's why I do make large portions. So I'm heading over to Aldi's, picking up their ingredients, and then head back home and start cooking. I had this thing today to make these homemade chocolate chip cookies that are so good. I always make them, but I don't have chocolate. If I have the energy and I still have a little bit of time, I would like to make those chocolate chip cookies. It's processed too, but they're so delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let you guys go before my camera warms up because the sun is hitting it. And thank you so much for joining me on another A Day in My Life vlog. Oh my god, it is so packed today here. I don't like coming here on the weekends because of that. Pack. Now, I'm looking for butternut squash. Oh, these I get. They also have sweet potato just in case. But I'm getting butternut squash. They like it. Potatoes. What else are we looking for? I don't need to go here.
No, it's not. They were looking at the stuff costume.
Alright, so I like to do 15% fat and 85% lean. Oh! Goodness Lord. One, two, three. Oh my goodness Lord. Oh my goodness. Okay, so quick haul before I go ahead and I unload things. So I went ahead and I picked these out for the cookies if I do have time and I have the energy, so I can make the chocolate chip cookies. Then, that's the receipt. I have a bunch of beef. I think I have like maybe, what is it, 8? I got butternut squash. They love it. I got like 7. Yeah. Then I got kale, And I have another bag in the freezer. So I got 2 of these. No, not the freezer, but the refrigerator. So I got 2 of these, and then with the one that I have in the refrigerator, that's 3. And I got a bag of green apples, and then I have a bag of potatoes that I'm going to be cooking. So that's their meal with beef broth, and that's pretty much it. I don't know about anybody else that come home, they're doing their errands, and right away when they come home, they change into their comfy clothes.
Much later.
Alright, till this point I'm like very tired, but I incorporated the ground beef with the butternut squash and then the kale. It looks so good. It smells so good, guys. So good. And then the rice is cooking, the apples are chopped, and then the potatoes are chopped. So all I have to do is incorporate everything together and then separate them, put them into the freezer, and that's that. Alright guys, so I incorporated everything except for the rice. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. It has been a long day, very tiring, but I needed to do it. That will last me a couple of days, which is pretty good. And then I have una trastera, terrible, loads of dishes to do. But I will definitely go ahead and put away their food, clean the dishes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make some quesadillas, chicken quesadilla. I did a rotisserie chicken yesterday. It was so good. So I have some leftover chicken breast, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna make some quesadilla because it's almost 2 o'clock. So by the time I wrap things up, it will probably be close to 2:30. And that's what I'm gonna eat for dinner, because I haven't eaten all day. The only thing that I went ahead and I've eaten, snacked in between, is papaya. But that's pretty much it. So this woman here is very hungry. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna let you guys go. Like I said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that if you do have furry ones and you don't know what to do, this will give you a rough idea how to make homemade meals. Keep in mind, not every human food is edible for them, so search it up. The ones that I went ahead and I put, obviously they're safe for the dogs, but always do your search, always talk to your vet. The vet already knows that I actually give them homemade meals, and they said yeah, that's fine. The only one that they don't really approve is raw meat, raw diet, which that could be controversial, which I'm not going to start the topic. Everyone do what is best for your furry ones. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I don't think I'm gonna make the chocolate chip cookies because it's almost 2 o'clock. I don't have the energy, so it'll be next time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys found some of this content useful for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless. Till next time. Bye. This is a lot of food. This is heavy. A lot of food for you guys. Too bad you guys have the chair. Wow, this is so heavy. Oh my goodness.